Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. I am Samina Naz, class teacher of 7th A. Hope all of you are fine and safe. Before starting my lecture, as a class teacher, I want to discuss some points with you. Kindly note the timetable carefully. Be attentive during class. Make it sure that you have complete stationery with you. Let's start our lesson, subject history. I have already sent the screenshot of if anyone have book issue. Chapter number 5, फाउंडेशन एंड कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ द मुग़ल एम्पायर। इस खित्ते में इस्लाम की आमद अरब ताजों से और फिर मोहम्मद बिन कासिम से शुरू होती है। सुल्तान महमूद गजनवी, मोहम्मद गोरी, कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, रज़िया सुल्ताना, बलबन और फिर लोधी ख़ानदान ने जहाँ तकरीबन 300 साल हुकूमत की। सलातीन दहली के आखिरी हुक्मरान इब्राहिम लोधी थे, जो कि पानीपत के मैदान में ज़ैनुद्दीन बाबर से नबर्द आजमा हुए। Who was Zainuddin Babar? He was the son of Amir Taimur, the ruler of फरगना। वो अमीर तैमूर की वफ़ात के बाद कुछ अर्सा फरगना और समरकंद के हुक्मरान रहा, लेकिन रिलेटिव ने उसे वहाँ से निकाल दिया, जिसके बाद वो हिंदुस्तान पर हमले की मनसूबाबंदी करने लगा। वो 1526 में पानीपत के मैदान में अपने 12,000 फौजियों के साथ इब्राहिम लोदी की फ़ौज से नबर्द आजमा हुआ, जिसके पास तकरीबन 1,000 हाथी और 50,000 फौज थी। उसने अपनी फ़ौज को 3 हिस्सों में तकसीम किया। इब्राहिम ने दुश्मन की कम फौज देकर खुले हमले का हुक्म दिया। ज़ैनुद्दीन बाबर की फ़ौज पहली दफ़ा हथियारों से लैस थी। तोपों की गन गर्ज से हाथियों में भगदड़ मच गई और यूँ इसकी फ़ौज मैदान जंग से भाग निकली। यूँ बाबर फातिहाना अंदाज में शहर में दाखिल हुए। He made great efforts to develop an efficient administration of his empire. He built Agra as his capital. He appointed his 4 sons as governor of provinces. His empire was ended in 1530 AD. Humayun was his successor. Now please open your book, page number 75. Here is introduction of topic, foundation of the Mughal Empire. Look at the map, page 75. The orange line show the Mughal Empire founded by Zainuddin Babar. The red line show the empire extended by Akbar, and the dark red line show the extension of Mughal Empire during Aurangzeb era. Page number 76, the introduction of Zainuddin Babar. And next, what do you know about the Battle of Panipat? The important victory in the first Battle of Panipat enabled Babur in laying the foundation of the Mughal Empire. Babur remained victorious in other successive battles and vigorously started consolidating his empire. Here is a chart which show the Babur's main victories: Battle of Panipat, Battle of Kanwaha, Battle of Chanderi and Battle of Gogla. Next, the topic is consolidation of the Mughal Empire. Here are few points, few efforts of his consolidation of the Mughal Empire's efficient administration. And next, page number 77. What is Babarnama? Babarnama is considered one of the earliest autobiographies in Islamic literature by an Indian ruler. It contains detailed account of Babur's political and military efforts to achieve throne. This autobiography also provides experience of his life in Islamic Central Asia and South Asia around 1500. It includes geography, diversity of population, music, art and languages. Next is, do you know what is an autobiography? An autobiography is a Greek word which means a self-written account of the life of oneself. It is an overview of your personality, your likes and dislikes, and the special events that shaped your life. So, all of you have understand this lesson well. Kindly follow the instruction given in WhatsApp group after this lecture. Oh,